Yeah, we passed the noise test.
Tiger in the air.
Wow. We passed, it's even proof. Right, welcome to Purple Monster TV. I was completely unprepared for this day as I didn't get any onboard footage of my track day as they wanted an extra tether on the camera for safety in case it came off, even though I have loads of GoPro mounts, etc. So I couldn't get any onboard footage, unfortunately. So instead of wasting the video, I filmed other people on the track and stuff. So I thought, you know what, I'll still put the video up and share it. So I'll get some footage of me on board next time I go. So please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. It is, he's got around quick. It is, isn't it? Yeah, he's just letting them by. Right. Right, lunch is over. Take two.
Who's going first?
You, I guess. Supercharged Mini.
Can you get the thumbs up? $15. Yeah. Truck day complete. Still in one piece.